have you been in the sun?
Oh, not too long. Don't worry though. I have some sunblock.
What's that for?
Well, it helps protect the UV rays that the sun gives.
Oh,
Yes.
I do know that the sun is good for vitamin D for your
Oh,
bones.
well, that's awesome.
Okay.
Are you guys using sunblock? Are you? Well, if not, we have so much more information to give you guys and some cool activities that'll explain a little bit more of what we're talking about. So, we'll see you guys later.
Hey guys, did you know that the sun is a star and it's also the closest to Earth?
Oh, well, that's cool.
I know.
Now, earlier we talked about UV rays. Does anybody know what UV stands for?
I do.
What is it?
Ultraviolet rays.
And ultraviolet rays carries energy to Earth. That was cool. And today we're going to explore how strong UV rays are. Now, in this first project for the first through third graders, all you're going to need is a colored construction paper and any object that's going to cast a shadow. Now here I have some animals, and I also have these letter magnets that we can use.
You can use Legos, leaves, anything that can transfer on your paper when the sun hits your paper. For the 4th through 6th, you're going to need colored construction paper, some sunscreen, and a paintbrush. Okay?
Let's get started. All right, guys, let's get started. Let me move these out the way. I have my paper here, and I'm just going to create whatever I would like for the sun to tan. All right, guys, I'm all done, and I'm gonna go set this out into the sun. Let's go.
All right, guys, so we're gonna create ours by using our sunscreen. So on one side, you're going to write with sunscreen. Other side, you're writing no sunscreen. So fold your paper in half. You're gonna write with sunscreen. And without sunscreen. Okay? Okay, so you guys, you can add shapes to yours or leave it plain. I'm gonna leave mine plain. Open your sunscreen, give it a good squirt. And just paint it on there. After I'm done with this, I'm gonna sit it outside. All right, now that we're done, we're gonna go sit it outside. Now that you guys have found a nice sunny spot, you're gonna wait 30 minutes to about an hour and just let it bake.
Yes. Now, until then, while ours is outside baking, we're gonna have a little discussion with you guys.
Ooh, about what?
So, some of these questions you guys are gonna have to answer, but remember, you have to wait until you get your project back. Now, the first question is, how did the sun's UV rays change your paper?
Ooh. You won't know that until you put it outside in a sunny spot and wait for about 30 minutes to an hour.
Exactly.
Okay, so why is the sun so important to Earth, Miss Kayla?
I have one answer. There's a couple answers, but I have one.
Okay, which one?
Energy!
The sun provides energy through heat and light that helps make plants grow.
How can we protect ourselves from the sun? Oh,
No cheating.
she took away your answer, you guys.
Sunscreen acts as a coating that absorbs and blocks ultraviolet rays.
But these are all questions that you guys are going to be able to answer because guess what? It's on your paper.
And
We talked about
we
it.
talked about it.
All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And remember to stay safe and protected from the sun.
Use your sunscreen.
Now, we're going to show you guys our projects. But until then, submit yours to map@cityofmontclair.org.
Miss Kayla just said, at cityofmontclair.org.
All right, guys. See you next time.
Later.